Mr. President, dear members of the board, officers, distinguished guests, dear IMTC members, and finally, dear friends, it is with great pleasure that I'm formally opening the IMTC 20th Anniversary Forum. We are honored today to have some of the most influential people in the multimedia communication industry here. They will give a perspective on the future, but also give us a glimpse to the past. IMTC is 20 today, and it has enjoyed the leadership of 4 presidents in that time. I'm thrilled to report that all these gentlemen will be present at the forum. Without waiting, let me introduce our current president and welcome Mr. Anatoli Levine from Vision and Avaya company.
Welcome everybody. It is really an honor, it's a pleasure, it's really great to have this event, have all these people here, get together to acknowledge the 20 years of really making multimedia communications possible. If you think about it, just look back and think about what we have today and what was happening in the past, right? We started from, we made video conferencing possible all the way, right? We started with the things like H320, and then advancing into H203, which is being used today. That's what all the video conferencing systems still use, and we made it possible. And this is then a lot of other technologies moving forward. All this mobile streaming video, right? Just all this ability to watch movies, watch any content you want. IMTC was instrumental by creating our packet switch streaming interoperability group, which really made it, again, we made it possible. We have a lot of reasons to be proud of our accomplishments, and as an organization driven to make technology interoperable. This is really, it's one of the things we've done. We made the pretty much first mobile video. Right now, everybody takes mobile video for granted. I'm talking about two-way communication, right? But the first mobile video using 3G 3.4M. It was really made possible by the work of IMTC. We made it interoperable, we made it actually usable. We allow many carriers to deliver this as a service, make it profitable. And again, this was all IMTC. Moving forward, we continue working on the technologies such as IMS, such as voice over LTE. So the great thing about this event, we have amazing lineup of speakers. We will be looking at the past because for some of us it's near and dear. You know, if you look at it, IMTC is a non-profit organization. So all the people who volunteer their time, this is, I don't want to say labor of love because we also represent our companies necessarily, but at the same time, yes, you have to be dedicated. You have to really put an effort, put a time, and really try to make a difference. And a lot of people in this room have been instrumental in this, leading the organization, leading interoperability groups, creating events such as SuperOp. This is as it started in '96, it's still a major event. It's a major draw for IMTC members. So we have a lot of things to be proud of in the accomplishments, but probably the best part is that we're not stopping. We're moving forward. We're looking at technologies such as WebRTC, which is, as any new technology promises to conquer the world. We will see how it will go about that, but one thing for sure, if it's going to be the one, we will be helping to make it actually the one which can be interoperable and can be actually used by everybody. So what we're doing today, we're gonna, over these 3 days, we're gonna a little bit look in the past. I'm sure the presidential panel will be just absolutely amazing from that point of view. And then before that, we got Deepak, we got Greg, who will really told us how things started. And then we're gonna look at the future. We're gonna look at all the technologies. We're gonna look at all the media coding, the video coding, audio coding, and the WebRTC. And again, so this is, we're looking at a very exciting 3 days. I'm really glad it was a lot of work, a lot of hard work to put this event together. We're finally here, and we're looking at 3 great days of interaction, learning, and just working together.